Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll take a comprehensive look at repairing the Lenovo 13X motherboard. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a precision screwdriver set, a spudger, anti-static wrist strap, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. With these tools ready, let's dive into the process. First, power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. We'll begin by removing the back cover. Use your precision screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the back panel in place. Keep these screws organized, a magnetic tray can be very helpful here. Once the back cover is off, gently detach the battery connector using a spudger. It's crucial to do this step carefully to avoid any damage. If you're unsure about handling these components, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, we need to locate the motherboard. It's usually secured with additional screws. Carefully unscrew them and lift the motherboard out. Before proceeding to the repair, inspect it for any visible damage such as burnt components or broken traces. In case you find any damage, you can clean the affected area with isopropyl alcohol to ensure a proper repair. If you don't have the tools or experience to handle this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple service to help you out. For soldering repairs, you will need a soldering iron and solder. Heat the soldering iron and apply a small amount of solder to the damaged area. Be sure to use a steady hand, as precision is key in this step. If you're not comfortable with soldering, consider getting a quote before repair from our service. After the repair is completed, let the solder cool down for a moment. Once it's cooled, we can reassemble the motherboard back into the casing. Ensure all connectors are securely attached and that there are no loose cables. Before putting the back cover on, it's a good idea to perform a quick inspection to ensure everything is in place. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Now, carefully replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Once secured, reconnect the battery and power on your device. If everything is working correctly, congratulations on successfully repairing your Lenovo 13X motherboard. If you run into any problems, remember we're here to help with a quick and convenient service, including quotes before repair. And that wraps up our guide for today. Be sure to subscribe for more technical tutorials and tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.